grab some text under the text menu in the top left and drag it into the timeline above the clip you want it to appear in. Then with that text box selected, you can go to the menu on the top right and edit it to whatever style and size you want. Now I will turn the text box in the timeline into a compound clip. I can do this two ways. One is right-clicking the text box and selecting the compound clip option. The other is by holding down the Option and G key while the text box is selected. This will turn the text box into a clip that I can add keyframes to. With the text clip selected, I will return to the top right menu and select the Mask tab. From there I will select the horizontal option and turn the bar in the preview screen to 90 degrees. Now I will slide the bar over the words and place it on top of the man in the shot, masking the text, and I will add a keyframe for the position of the mask on the Position section of the Mask menu. This adds a keyframe point wherever the cursor is in my project timeline and marks the position of mask at that point. Now I am moving the cursor forward in my timeline and causing the man to walk forward slightly in the shot. I will then select the keyframe button again under Position to place another keyframe point where my cursor is in the timeline, and now drag my mask in the preview window back over the man in the shot, which reveals a letter from the text that is hidden behind the mask. I am going to repeat this process until the man has fully walked across the screen, ultimately revealing the entirety of the text in the shot. Now if I want the text to look like it's behind the man and not out in front, I can simply copy and paste the main video clip in the timeline, then place that clip in the overlay section above the text clip. With the new clip selected, I will go to the menu in the top right. Under the Cutout tab, we'll click Auto Cutout. This will automatically make it appear though the text is behind the man in the shot. I can see that the text is also moving behind people walking in the background. To fix this, I will simply cut the top clip so that the man fully passes the text and delete the rest of it out of the timeline to stop the effect. Perfection.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.